Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is April the 22nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Solana today. I want to show you all something that I've seen on the chart that would kind of tell us that price is still weak. And I know there's people on YouTube just trying to hype you all up, trying to tell you to come in and buy Solana. It is the cryptocurrency to buy right now. You're going to be filthy rich one day with Solana. But when you come in and look at the price chart, it gives us a different picture. It's telling us something totally different what everyone else is saying on their YouTube videos. Isn't that amazing? I want you all to know something. I want you all to get accustomed to paying attention to the price chart rather than paying attention to what everyone else is trying to get you to see. This is the truth. This is the collective behavior of what people are doing with Solana on any given day that it trades. It tells us who's been buying, it shows us who's been selling, or at least which side of the market is actually dominating at a particular time. Welcome to my channel. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I do price predictions. You guys can see it right now. I got one on the chart for Solana, and I'm looking for the market price to do what? Yes, go down. And you guys can see I did a video on April the 10th. Dropping this advanced notice to everyone on our team to say, look, the market in Solana looks pretty weak and we need to side with the market. If the market is weak, we're going to be weak. If the market is strong, we'll be strong. So you clicked on a good video. You guys want to join the team? The doors are open. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to my channel. I'm not going to make this hard. I'm not going to make this confusing, and I am not going to make this complex. All you have to do is look at price bars and volume. Nothing more, nothing less. In order just to make money. That's it. So check this out. One thing that I've noticed on this chart right now in Solana is the fact that market hasn't gone anywhere, has it? Since my video on April the 10th, all right, look at this. April the 10th, the market really hasn't gone anywhere. It is still trading, I would say, around 105 to 112. What do you think that means? Do you think that the market is getting stronger in Solana, that the price is about to go up? Or do you think that the price is still going to go down? Look at this. One reason you guys can see why we played the weakest into the market in Solana is because price broke the trend, right? Solana was in a very good short-term trend, but then it broke. So generally that is still the environment that we need to be following under, is that the market in Solana is still weak because price is not in a upward trend. That's one. Two, when you look at all of the collective trading days right here, okay, I've just circled it. When you look at all of these days, what do you think it means? Does this look bullish to you, or does it look bearish? Let's take a look at this on a different time frame to see if we get a different picture. So here it is. This is the 2-day. Does this look bullish, or does it look bearish? Does it look like it's weak, or does it look like it's strong? What about on the 3-day? I think you guys can tell where the buyers are trying to hold the line. The buyers are trying to hold the line in Solana right here, okay? And this is going to be really important going forward. I want you all to see that, because it's going to tell us what direction price really is going to break. Buyers has been trying to keep price in Solana from falling below, I would say, around $100. They've been trying since April the 10th. And there's a lot of selling going on. And with all of this selling going on these 3-day price bars, represents that eventually the buyers are going to get tired. They're going to leave the market because they're going to run out of money to buy Solana at $100. And when that happens, once the selling overpowers the buyers, price will fall. Right? What about on the 5-day? How does it look to you? Weekly time frame. 2 weeks. 3 weeks. The 3 weekly time frame, I'm here to tell you right now, it doesn't look good. Not from a 3 weekly perspective, meaning that in the next 3 weeks or 16 days and 13 hours, we can expect the price in Solana to go a little bit lower. Yeah, this last completed 3 weekly price bar definitely shows us that the buyers didn't win. On this 3 weekly price chart, the buyers did not win. The sellers won. So from a 3 weekly perspective, we know who's winning right now. The sellers are. 5 weeks. Monthly. What do you notice? What do you think? I'm not here to convince you either way. I'm just showing you the evidence as to which side of the market currently is running the yard. And so far, it looked like the sellers are, right? The only thing that the buyer has going for them is keeping this price above $100. That would be the only thing that would keep my price prediction, which I have right now on the chart, from being invalidated, is seeing the price continue to hold $100. So when I see circumstances and situations like this is where I'll come through and skim off some of my profitability, right? I'll come in and take some off, which is 9.25%. Like, there's nothing wrong with you coming in and taking off some profitability in the market. There's nothing wrong with that, because you can tell how the market is trying to hold price at 100. The buyers are. So while they're doing that, it's giving you opportunity to come in and skim off some bag. But when I look at this on the 3 weeks, this is another reason why I wouldn't necessarily cut everything off the play. It's because I still see weakness though. This is how this game is meant to be played. This is what I wanted to show you all. The big surprise is that the buyers are trying to hold price at $100 in Solana. But when you switch over the time frames, you get the real picture as to who's winning in the market, which is why I went through those different time frames to show you that the sellers are still pretty much controlling the market right now. So yeah, skim off a little bit of profitability today. We're going to continue to go forth with seeing Solana go down. I got my ultimate TP price around like $89, $90, around that vicinity. Okay. Around that vicinity is where I'm looking for the price to go. Again, it could go a lot lower, but that's the location that I'm looking for buyers to try to prop in again. It's right there around $90. Okay. So I'm not going to come through. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I just wanted to show you all the big surprise of us noticing how buyers are trying to keep price elevated in Solana. You guys can just look at the price chart and see what's really going on. But then see it from a different vantage point. And you guys begin to see that, well, the sellers still look like they're controlling the market though, especially on the 3 weekly time frame. Okay. So now let's just see. Let me extend this out just a little bit further so we can give it a little bit more time for the prediction to work itself out. And that's it. It's your turn though. Anything changed? Any surprises that you've seen on the price chart? Go ahead and drop it in the comment section and show it to our community. All right. And that's it. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.